Rowell Services offers an environmentally friendly, no-digging, trenchless pipe repair alternative called cured-in-place pipe repair. First, a small video camera is inserted into your sewer line to identify any problematic issues, such as scale buildup, cracks, breaks, or root intrusion. Sewer pipes are cleaned by using high-pressure hot water and chain knockers to clean the interior of the pipes, pushing out the roots, scale buildup, and leaving the pipes ready for the epoxy coating. Once completed, we are ready to line your sewer service. A piece of flexible liner is cut to fit the entire length of the pipe. Next, an epoxy mixture is poured directly into the liner opening. Then, a vacuum seal is attached to the end of the wetted out liner, and a table roller is used to ensure every inch of the liner is fully saturated with resin. The prepped liner is then fed into the back of the inversion assembly. Next, the starting end of the liner is securely taped to the nozzle, making it an airtight seal. Air pressure pushes or inverts the liner into the pipe all the way down through the interior of the pipe. Next, a calibrated balloon-like tube, or cal tube, is inverted into the epoxy liner and is filled with hot water, pressing the epoxy liner against the interior of the damaged pipe. The liner is then allowed to cure for approximately 1 hour. When the liner is fully cured, the cal tube is deflated and removed, leaving behind a fully rehabilitated pipe. Without digging up your property, trenchless sewer repair will reinforce and strengthen your existing pipes to last decades. If you would like to learn more about our trenchless sewer repair process, give us a call at 603-934-4145 or visit our website, rowellservices.com.